Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. I welcome you to our new program, that is our course on coffee painting. Till now we have done a lot of free courses starting from Whirly, where we did Whirly Basics, Whirly Beginners, Whirly Advanced, and we've just finished a course on Whirly God and Goddesses. We've also done Madhubani Basics, Madhubani Advanced, and we've done a short course on Kalamkari, Gond art, Mandala, 3D Mandala. We've also indulged in various crafts like Lippen. We've done clay modeling both by using homemade clay as well as molded. We've also done quilling. We are also doing a makeover series, that is the Do It By series, using old boxes at home. And we will be doing another course on Patachitra for beginners after the coffee course. So do subscribe to our channel. In case you've not pressed the bell button, do press the bell button so that you're notified as soon as we put a new video. Now let me tell you about our coffee course. So we will be starting our coffee series shortly, and in this video also we will be learning how to create the coffee template on the various shades of coffee. Now before we go ahead, let me discuss with you what all will be the material that we'll need to go ahead with this course. So the first and the foremost is the paper. So for this I will be using watercolor paper. You can use any company watercolor paper or any thick paper which is above 150 GSM, so that the color comes very evenly. You can even decide to do it in your sketchbook if watercolor sheets are not available with you. Then as the name suggests, the main thing that we'll need is coffee. Any company coffee is fine. So you need to have coffee with you to do these paintings. Then comes brushes. So a few flat brushes, a few round brushes, one thick flat brush, few thin flat brushes, a few round brushes, one thin brush is what you'll need. You can also, for one of the paintings, I will be using my Micron pen as well. So one Micron pen. Here the pen that I'm using is a 0.4. So any number Micron pen that you have with you is fine. Next comes how to fix your coffee. So for fixing the coffee painting, you will be needing a fixative. So this fixative is easily available at all stationery stores. And I'm also giving the Amazon link below of this, which is available on Amazon in case you don't get it nearby. So this is an artist fixative. Any company fixative you can use for fixing your coffee paintings. So these are broadly the materials that we need for the paintings. Now let us learn how to make the coffee template. So now we are going to create a sample of coffee painting. Basically it's going to be a shade card that we are going to create. For that what we need is our small containers or small pockets in which we can create the different shades of coffee. We need a little bit of coffee powder and water. So let us now quickly create the different shades of coffee. Now to create different shades of coffee, take very little quantity of coffee. So I'm going to take little quantity and add a little water to it. Now this is our first shade of coffee, and if I do it on my shade card, you can see how light the shade card is. So this I'm creating so that we have a quick reference when we are doing our coffee paintings. So this is extremely light. Now take a little more quantity of coffee. Add a little bit of water. Mix it well. Now this comes our second color of coffee C. So you can see that the color has become a little darker. Now we come to the third. So in every time you increase the quantity of coffee a little bit. So this becomes our third shade of coffee. Now I'm going to take approximately half a spoon of coffee in this. Just mix your coffee well. Now this is a much darker shade, and for the last shade I'm taking almost 1 spoon of coffee. So this is going to be an extremely darker color. Now see, you can see we start from the lightest and go up to the darkest. Now in this way, create your shade card. The shade card will be very helpful for you when we are doing our coffee.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.